Riwruog jolony mag yedhe pachoka Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya koro kwayo piny owacho mondo chuog chik mabiro gayo nengo yedhe pachoka. Kane giloso gi jofwamb weche bang' tieko ayanga romo mayande gi bago Mombasa, gikonyo oganda mathoth e pachoka wito ngimagi nikech nengo yath mani malo mathoth jopiny ok nyal nyiewo. Gijiwo piny owacho e bwo bede migepe mopogore mondo mi owuog oko motegno mar kedo gi wach yedhe ma ok opuodhi, kaachiel kod jogo ma uso yedhe to kata kamano onge kod lony mowinjore. Gisani gikoni gidhi nyime kod timo nonro mar yango ni wach yedhe ma ok opuodhi oserocho oganda kata ngima oganda jo Kenya e rang'iny machalo nade.
Government has controlled the prices of uga. The government has controlled the prices of petroleum. It is controlling the price of electricity, price of cement, and price of everything else. A time has come for the government to control the prices of medicines in this country. Because at the end of the whole treatment chain, if the patient does not get medicines, then they are not going to benefit.
What we have seen and discussed in this conference, and we have gotten a commitment with the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, is that they have also capacity built the ports of entry to ensure that there are no leakages when it comes to medicines. Because when you have counterfeit medicine, or if there is in the market, which it has to be validated in line with the Anti-Counterfeit Authority, we have to ensure that it does not get to the patient.
We never had these cases before, but we have seen falsified medications coming in. So now that's why I said we are carrying out a survey to see the extent to which it is affecting us. In other regions, it is quite rampant, but for us,